Welcome to the jungle of Thailand. We are searching for the waterfalls. So come with us. Hi, my name is Pops Hardcastle. Welcome to my channel and please join us on our adventure.
You know I'm looking and I can't help but smile.
Number 1, number 3, number 4, number 6, number 7. Wow, number 8, beautiful. The yellow orchid is very beautiful and is native to Chanthaburi province.
Help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever.
Welcome to the jungle of Thailand.
Man, that water must have been high to wash all that bamboo down like that.
Yeah, I think so.
There must have been a lot of water coming through it.
We are right in middle of jungle. Yeah, our path's been cut off, so we're gonna head back. Yeah, as you can see, there's no way through. Yeah, I mean we could just push through it, but we don't know what's ahead of us.
We can
go to other waterfalls. Oh yeah, and we can get in for free. Yeah. We're heading back down. We just can't get, well, we didn't want to push ourselves through in the middle of jungle unknown. It's
Don't grab this thing.
okay. It's very wild. And watch out for some thorn. Mission aboard for today. We're just gonna relax a little bit and heading to another national park.
Don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever.
We just finished our adventure and heading down for coffee. Coffee and mojito. Which one first? Coffee. Pina. Coffee or mojito? Let's go for coffee. This is so cute. Wow. Would you like to look at the menus? It is all in Thai.
Yes.
Yeah. Eggs. Yeah. Egg. I'm gonna have mango mousse. Coffee. We're heading down to the car and going to another national park. Come along with us.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the
Welcome to Khlong Phaibun Waterfalls.
side by side, our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
We're hiking through this beautiful jungle of bamboo.
With you and I, the future is bright.
Oh, I can hear it.
We got it. We don't need love. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Caught by strays, things are finally right. bright.
Welcome to the paradise of Thailand. It started to rain. We better go. I love the rain in Thailand. Look, I see the butterfly.
We don't need no
What a gorgeous place.
hard time.
Rain in Thailand is still warm. Yet the rain just stopped. It's humid. We're just heading back down to the car because it's slippery. So we just want to be safe. Welcome to another organic farm. Look at the flowers. This is durian tree. This little baby durian. This is Thai cherry. It's sour. It's beautiful. Very colorful. As mangosteen. Baby one. It's not ready yet. It's flowering. This is watercress. You just grow this for the chicken. But you know, I'm just eating this. Delicious. It's all organic. So this is cocoa tree. Look at the cocoa plant. That's cocoa. And this is kaffir lime leaves. Beautiful tree. Baby morning glory. Oh, this is herbs garden. Chili. The holy basil. Wow, this is beautiful. Look at this mini eggplant. And this will be ready about April. Full of fruit. Yeah, about April will be ready. And you can see the ducks just right there. It's all nutrients. Yeah, fertilized from the duck poo. That's breakfast.
They're happy. Look at them.
Yeah, they're so happy. Yeah, we're going home with organic eggs. Well, that was brilliant. I had a great time. Thank you to Dana and Pina for brought us to one of the most magical places in Chanthaburi province. And thank you to all of you for coming along on this adventure with us. And make sure to click like and subscribe to my channel for more adventure video in Thailand. See you in the next video. Bye.